Hello friends, today we will learn about how to draw a door frame. You can see it's a final shape. So now everything is clear here. Let's start. So here you can see I make a rectangle, size of 4 by 5, 4 by 22 centimeter or 5 by 22 centimeter as per your size of the frame. Then I just make a cutout of 1 by 5 centimeters or 4 centimeters for the door fixing area, for the hinges or for the closing. So this corner we can erase. Now we take the rectangle and I will make a architrave 1 centimeter by 7 centimeter width. Just copy this rectangle and we take it to the other side to make the architrave of other side of the frame. Now we can erase the center lines and we go to component materials and we give this some wooden color to this frame. Okay, now just now we will use the follow me command, but before that we have to rotate it and we make a size frame directions and how the frame will move. So 2.2 meter height and width will be 1 meter. I'm putting 1 meter, up to you what how much you want to put use. Then again down it will come by 2.2 meters. Now we will select these 3 lines. Now go to tools, follow me and click on the frame. You can see now the door frame is ready as I showed you in the start this video. So like this you can make any kind of frame you want, any design of architrave, any design of color you can make it.